Hi guys, welcome back with the third puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday, January the 30th, 2023. I've told you earlier, we have no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. No, it's the edition of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, January the 28th, 2023. In this Sunday edition, I've already additional. We have solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. So it's time now for the third one, and it's the Tectonic with 1 star. Yeah, Tectonic with 1 star. And this one will be number, let me focus the camera. This one will be number 5879. Yes, 5879. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. We have here in this Tectonic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one, 19, should be an easy one. Yeah, it's indicated with 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, we will see if this is really a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle duo boxes or box? Yeah, duo boxes, yeah. I see here only one duo box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2. We have a 2 there. So the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. More duo boxes? No. Triple boxes then. The next question. Do we have here in this puzzle a triple box or boxes? I see here only one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 3. Do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box. The inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. Triple box. Then the question, do we have here quadra boxes? Quadra boxes, let me check. No quadra boxes. Well, alright, then the next strategy, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, let me draw this shape here. For that example, this shape, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember, oh, this is not a good shape. Yeah, this one is too high. Okay, this is it. Yeah, let me do it lower. Okay, this one. Okay. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Yeah, of course, I've already filled in the 2. Yeah, it's not dry. So, okay, here we have another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. Well, let me draw this here. Here, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. All right. Okay. Next shape, figure, structure, or construction. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more? No, only one of this kind of shape here. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Rotated, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright, more L shapes? No, only one L shape. And the final shape, how about this shape? Yeah, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Yeah. Here we have another one, but upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or construction that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 3, can be a 3. That box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround a 3, can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so a 3. Alright. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Then let me see. These 2 boxes surround a 3, can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers. Oh wait. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes at there. Then this box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Well. These 3 boxes surround a 5, can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Then I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah. Yes, 1 digit left should be the 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes at there. Then, this box can be a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround a 5, can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this cross area should be here. These 3 boxes surround a 5, can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround a 3, can be a 3. But also that box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3, should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Well, the 5 is in the same area. Definitely a 4. Alright. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Now we have a 4 here in the same area, can't be a 4 anymore, should be a 5 now. Alright, so 1 digit left in this area for number 1. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then let me see. Yeah. 1 and a 4. Need a 2 here. Yeah, I'm thinking. Well, 1, 4, 5. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, and the 3 we have a double 2 there, double 3 there. If I place a 2 here or a 3 here, I cannot fill any 2 or any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it can be 2 and a 3, can be 1, and can be a 5. We have a 5 here, so definitely a 4. 1 digit left. Number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then. Let me see. Yeah, I'm thinking. Yeah. Well, go here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Come on, 5. No 5 there. 1, 2, 5, 4, and 3. 1 and 3. Yeah, I need to think. 2, 5, 1. Well, 1, 2. I think this box should be could be a 1, can be a 2, can be 3, could be a 4, can be a 5, 1 or a 4, and it's connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 4. Okay, so 2 numbers left here, also the 1 and the 4. Yeah. Well, I cannot place the 1 here. If I place the 1 here, these 3 boxes cannot be a 1 then. But also that box can be a 1. And I need a 1 in one of these 4 boxes. So it should be definitely a 4. Is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 1 digit left in this area. Should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there, and is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 1 and the 3, 1 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Let me see, this box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 3, and the 5, 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be a 2, we have a 2 in the same area, can be a 3, can be 4, yes, 1 digit left, should be the 5, and the final 2 numbers in this area, 4 numbers 1 and the 3, 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes, well, not faster, not faster. So let me give this a 2 stars then, yeah, you need to think. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles in the puzzle page of the Saturday edition. Until then, bye-bye for now.